In this world, there is nothing like a good cup of tea. I am sitting on this world on my sofa. It is very soft. I am washing my face. I am reading a book. This world is a beautiful place. I am opening the refrigerator.
I am taking some vegetables. I am washing the vegetables. I am cutting the salad. I am adding some oil. My salad is ready. It looks very delicious.